Introduction.
Anuj, let's get you some shirts. Many of your clothes have become short.
Yes, Mom, even I was going to ask you the same. Let's go to the shop in mall.
That evening, mother and Anuj visited to the shop. Anuj brought two shirts for rupees 2,149. Mother brought some grocery items and bill amount is 2,350 rupees. At home, he compared total amount of two bills. He told that shirt's cost was more than the all grocery items. It will becomes he learned about the large numbers, right? So come we do learn about numbers objectives. At end of this lesson you will able to comparing numbers, writing large numbers, Indian and international system of numeration, estimation to nearest numbers, estimation of some difference product of numbers, simplification of using brackets, Roman numerals. Comparing numbers. The collection of group of numbers can be compared with each other. On comparing the numbers, we can tell which group is large. The arrangement of numbers smallest to largest is called ascending order. The arrangement of numbers from the largest to the smallest is called descending order. If two numbers have an unequal number of digits, then the number with the greater number of digits is greater. If two numbers have an equal number of digits, then the number with the greater value is greater. Largest four-digit number 9,999. What should be the added to this number to make smallest five-digit number? The answer is we need to add 1. Let we find out on adding 1 to 9,999 we get 10,000. Which is smallest 5-digit number? Can you guess the smallest 6-digit number? Smallest 6-digit number is called lakh. Digits of a number can be shifted to for greater or smaller number. Writing large numbers. Sometimes the large numbers are so large that it becomes difficult to keep track of. Then it helps to use in read and write large numbers. In a decimal number system, the value of digits depends on its place on position in the number. Each place of the values of 10 times it plays to it right. It can be extended into crores. The chart helps in reading and writing numbers and is called place value chart. Number system. In an Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then lakhs, crores. Comma is used to mark thousands, lakhs, and crores. The comma comes after the hundred place 3 digit from the right and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digit later 5 digit from the right. It comes 10,000 place. The marks lakh. The third comma comes after another 2 digits 7 digit from the right. It comes after 10 lakh. In the international system of numeration, as it is being used, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then millions. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions. It comes after 3 digit. It comes after 3 digit from the right. The first comma marks thousands and the next comma marks millions. Let us look at some points. 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs. 1 millions is equal to thousand thousands. 10 crores is equal to 100 millions. 100,000 is equal to 1 lakh. Estimation to nearest number. We come across large number, performing calculation on them become complex. To avoid the complexity, estimation or rounding off is used. For example, in school with 496 students, you can say that there are approximately 500 students in the school. Rounding numbers to the nearest tenth means finding which tens nearest to. For example, 23 rounded to the nearest tenth is 20. The rounding number to the nearest 100 means finding which 100 they are nearest to. For example, 423 rounded to the nearest number is 400. Rounding number to the nearest thousand means finding which thousand nearest to. For example, 3800 to the nearest thousand is 4000. It is 4000. The estimation of sum, difference, product. The estimation to nearest number can help in the estimation of sum of two large numbers. For example, add 4780 and 3325. Rounding of 4780 would make 4800. Rounding of 3325 would make 3000. Sum of 2 is 7800. Estimation to nearest can help in estimation of difference of large numbers. For example, subtract 22,345 from 29,664. Rounding of 29,660 would make it 30,000. Rounding of 22,345 would make it 20,000. Difference of 2 is 10,000. Estimation to nearest number can help in the estimation of product of large numbers. For example, multiply 33,467 and 8,888. Rounding of 33,476 would make it 33,000. Rounding of 8,888 would make it 9,000. Product is equal to 33 into 9 followed by 6 zeros, which is 29 crores 70 lakh. Simplification using brackets. Consider the given equation. This equation can be solved in two ways, which is correct answer. Use the brackets allows to avoid the confusion in the problem where we need to carry out more than one number operation. Let us see how. In the question would be given shown on the screen, it would be calculate. The answer would be 17 into 119 is equal to 1853. Let us see. Simplify. This can be solved as 8 into 100 plus 8 is equal to 8 into 100 plus 8 into 8. Then is equal to 800 plus 64. Then is equal to 864. The Roman numerals. We use the Hindu Arabic system of numerals. The other system of numerals is the Roman system. It is one of the oldest system of writing numbers which is still present as many places. As like the Hindu Arabic numeral system, the Roman numeral system use 7 basic symbols to represent the numbers as follows. Look at the table of symbols. There are certain rules to form a numerals. They are: first one, if symbol is repeated, then its value is added. Second one, the symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated maximum 3 times. Third one, the symbols V, L and D can never be repeated. Fourth one, if a symbol with smaller value is written on right of greater value, then the smaller value is added to the greater one. Fifth one, if a symbol with smaller value is written on left of greater value, then smaller value is subtracted from the greater one. Let us self-assessment. Let us check what you learn. Drag and drop the correct answer in front of the statements. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Numbers can be compared to know the larger quantity. Numbers can be written in different formations. Indian and international system of numeration and the difference between them. How to round off number to nearest whole number. Estimating the sum difference product using rounding off. How to simplify calculation using brackets. Roman numerals.